The Launch X431 Diagun 4 is a very small, powerful diagnostic unit. The VCI is housed within the top. The rugged case around the device holds this and allows for a hand grip on the back. On the front screen you have a few options: Diagnose, Special Function, Feedback Diagnosis, Software Upgrade, Maintenance Help, and Personal Center. Under the Special Function tab, you have some of the options for quick links to some of the most commonly used resets and adaptations. Under Diagnose is where you would go to select the make of vehicle you're working on. For this demonstration, we're going to select Demo. After selecting the vehicle manufacturer, you have three options. You can do a full health report and scan all of the modules in the vehicle, reading out what DTCs are in each one. We're going to select System Select. We're going to pick a module. And these are the most commonly seen options for all the modules you'll work on. You have an option to program the module, Special Functions, Actuation Test, which is where all of your bidirectional controls will be listed, Clear fault codes, read fault codes, and see the module information, such as the VIN, software version, and usually a calibration identification. If we go into our data stream, we select a few PIDs, we can view the live data. We also have the option of viewing it as a graph. Selecting a graph brings it to full screen. That's a brief overview of what can be done with the Launch X431 Diagun 4.